Hey guys, Landon here with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we are going to be looking at one of our most popular trucks. It's going to be the 2027 Isuzu NPR HD gas, and this one is going to be in the crew cab configuration. As I said, this is a gas truck. It's going to be powered by a gas engine paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This truck is going to be most popular among landscape fleets, but we work with all vocations. We can put anything on the back of this truck. Let's take a look inside the cab. All right, so you'll see this truck does have heavy duty floor mats front and back. That is a standard for Isuzu. 3 across seating in the front. This truck is going to come with the 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a backup camera to make sure your fleets are safe while they're driving. This truck is also going to have power and heated mirrors, as well as power windows and power door locks. And just to show you guys the back seat and how spacious it is, this is going to be a 4 across seating configuration. Like I said, going to have the heavy duty floor mats there as well. Now for the business end of this truck, this is going to be a Wil-Ro open body landscape. It's going to be 19 foot long. It's going to be 14 foot steel diamond plate deck with a 5-foot dovetail in the back. Up front, you're going to have your water cooler rack. Directly above that, you're going to have your storage compartment up top. Underneath the passenger side back here, we're going to have a 36-inch toolbox, as well as both sides of this platform are fold-down sides to make it really easy to load any equipment or pallets, whatever you may need to put on the back. Moving towards the back end, you've got your weed eater racks, as well as, like I said, your dovetail. Now your ramp is going to be a split dovetail ramp, so super easy for you guys to access. Moves up and down, shouldn't be a hassle for anybody. Now around to the driver's side. This truck is going to have a 38-gallon in-frame fuel tank. Again, like I said, this is a gas truck. Here you can see we folded down one of the sides just to give you guys an idea of how easy it is to load and unload when your crew's either starting the day or ending the day. And last on the body, this is going to be your shovel rack. There is room for 6. Guys, we are Industrial Power. We have a body shop in Fort Worth. We are also a Wil-Ro dealer and warranty provider. So any modifications that you want to make to this body, you let us know. We can fabricate that in-house and make that happen for you so your truck is ready to go when you get it. Now, talking to the warranties of the truck, this truck is going to be covered by a 3-year, 36,000-mile standard Isuzu warranty. Your engine and transmission are covered for 5 years, 75,000 miles. If you are a high mileage fleet, you can upgrade that warranty to 5 years, 150,000 miles. On the back end of this truck, we also utilize Isuzu Commercial Finance. They have been known to give us the best rates. Please ask us about that when we are building out your truck. Also, stay up to date on our website. Like and subscribe on our YouTube. Again, I'm Landon. This is the Isuzu NPR HD Crew Cab Gas. Give us a call. Thank you so much for watching.